Hi, I'm JC Lowry, and I want to discuss Apple and Tesla, my two favorite stocks. They're both splitting at the end of this month, and I want to talk about what you should do. Should you buy before they split or after? And also, I'm going to discuss what I'm going to do. Okay, so quickly, I want to recap what's going on with the splits, okay? So, Apple is splitting 4-1, and Tesla is splitting 5-1. So if both of these stocks split at the price that they closed today, Apple being $458 a share, it would be at a price of $114 a share. And Tesla, which is at all-time highs right now, it closed at $1,835 a share. So today, if it split at the price it closed today, it will be $367 a share. So Tesla is $1,835 a share. Is it too much? Is it too high to buy? It may seem so, but remember, Tesla is a $342 billion company, while Apple is a $1.96 trillion with a T. So Apple's far larger company. And Tesla is still, even though the price seems relatively high, if you look to the Tesla's future, it's only just getting started. So right now, Tesla really is only selling 3 cars. That's it, 3. They have the Model X, the Model S, and the Model 3, which is their cheaper mass market sedan, okay? And they're building simultaneously 3 gigafactories. Next year, they're going to come out with the Semi, the Cybertruck, and the updated plaid versions of the Model X and the plaid version of the Model S, which I'm really excited to see, actually. And if you want to talk about their growth rate, their factory growth rate is ridiculous. Nobody comes close. They're popping out factories, 1 factory per year. And I think moving forward, they'll probably double that speed. Looking 5-10 years down the line, Tesla, in my opinion, will easily become the largest company on earth. Once you add solar, and the solar business by itself will at one point become larger than the car company. There's 100 million roofs worldwide that need solar on them. Having said all that, this is my recommendation. So if you are a person who has not yet started a position in Tesla or Apple, then by all means, this is a good price to start. Now keep in mind, I think of these companies as core positions in a portfolio, and I believe in value cost averaging, which is you just do monthly purchases or at regular intervals over time. You just need to jump in at some point. So if you're one of the fortunate ones and you were happy with the amount of shares you own of Tesla and Apple, then you're good. You don't have to buy more. I mean, Apple and Tesla are pretty much at their all-time highs right now. You can just hold and see what happens. So after the split, what's going to happen? Anytime you have a split, there's a bunch of people that just jump in right after the split or just before. And when it runs up, they figure it's going to hit all time, and then they want to sell and take profit. But whether or not it comes down a little bit or a lot, nobody really knows. But it is something to consider, or you might want to have a few shares set aside in your mind to take some profits. Okay, so what am I going to do? Well, for me, Tesla is by far my largest position, and Apple is my second largest position. My plan is to just continue my regular monthly purchase strategy. And for me, I do $600 a month into my Roth IRA. Generally speaking, it's $200 for 2 weeks and then $100 for 1 week. And usually I flow that money into any number of the 12 stocks in my portfolio. But since these splits have been announced, I've just been putting that money directly into either Apple or Tesla. I try not to worry about how high the price is at the time of my regular purchases. I have a long-term view and I don't worry about it too much. Now, generally speaking, if the stock price goes down, then I do try to throw more money at it, but I try to keep my monthly purchases on track. Thank you for coming by, and please do not listen to my advice as advice. I am not a professional portfolio manager. You shouldn't listen to anybody. Don't buy anything just because somebody tells you to. You need to listen and make up your own mind. Please hit the like button and subscribe. And remember, anybody at any job can become a millionaire and learn to spend your money and keep it too. Thank you.